Fall temperatures are not sticking around long as snowstorms make their way into KELOLAND.
Several schools are already issuing late starts or are closed tomorrow. In Deadwood, the city's public works department says it's ready for the snow. KELOLAND's Sydney Thorson shows you how crews are preparing.
Public Works Director Robert Nilsson says his crews have been preparing since August by working with their new equipment.
This storm in particular, with so much guessing as to how much, we're going to continue to track the radar and adjust accordingly.
While the snowstorm is approaching, the crews and Mayor Dave Ruth Jr. are confident that it will be safe for people to venture outdoors.
The thing for Deadwood is that, we always remind everyone that we are open. We're always open. We don't encourage people to disregard any road closures or advisories as far as travel goes. We want them to be out there and be safe if they are out there.
Deadwood officials say it's important to drive slowly and take your time on the roads.
It is something that is a testament to our community. Our residents and our business community alike enjoy the work that the Public Works crew does. They know that our citizens and residents are safe, our visitors are safe.
The key things are to make sure people get home and make sure people get to where they got to go in the morning,
so that everyone in town can enjoy their stay and feel safe. In Deadwood, Sydney Thorson, KELOLAND News.
You can stay up to date on the storm's changing conditions by turning to our Storm Tracker app on your smart devices.